Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show everyone on how to import True North Arrow from ArcGIS Pro into AutoCAD. So let's get started. So this is my work environment for ArcGIS Pro. So you can choose to open an existing project or you click on map to create a new project. However, I'll be making use of my default YouTube project. So you open your project work environment. After you create a new work environment, you may see this on default and remove this. Alright, then you come to insert, you click on that. Under insert, you scroll down to new layout, you click on new layout, then you can just scroll to a layout template of A4. Alright, so this is ISO portrait A4, so I'll click on that. It's going to launch me to the layout. Then on the layout, you come to True North, you click on that, then you scroll down to any True North of your choice. So you can see these are the different True North arrow symbols in ArcGIS Pro. So I'm just going to add this. When you click on that, it's going to give you an advantage. You're going to see a plus sign. You click on the layout environment, then it's going to pop up. So you can choose to increase the size of the True North arrow. Then I'm going to add another set of True North arrow. So I'm going to add this. So when you see the plus sign, you click on the layout environment, then you can increase the size. Make sure it's not together on a straight line with the previous one. So you can just bring this down. Alright, therefore I'm going to add two more sets of True North arrows. So let me add this somewhere here. I'm going to increase that as well. Then lastly, let me add this. Alright, so here you can choose to change the color if you want. Alright, so I'm just going to change the color of this. You click on it. If you want to edit it, you right click on it, then you scroll to properties. Under properties, you are going to see all these options. So I just want to change the color alone, so I'm going to click on the symbol here. It's going to launch me to the appearance. Then you click on this color icon here. So I'm going to make this blue, then you click on apply. Automatically it's going to change the color. Okay, so let me change the color of this as well to blue. Right click, properties, click on the icon here, come here, then you change the color and you click on apply. Alright, so then after this you will come to share, you click on share, come to export layout, you click on that. So you are going to see different export options. So I'll go with georeferenced PDF, you click on that. Under that you are going to see this window popping up. So make sure the file type is PDF. The name, you click on the folder icon to define the folder. So I'm just going to call this True North. Then you click on save. So make sure you know the folder where it is going into. Click on save. Then you can scroll down, nothing to do much. If your vector resolution is lower than 300, you can increase it here, or you can make it to be more than if you want it to be very sharp. Alright, then after that you scroll down, then you click on export. So you can see export completed. You can minimize this, come to your AutoCAD work environment, come to insert, come to PDF import, click on that. Then you can navigate to the folder where you have the PDF of the True North saved into. So I have it under my YouTube. I'm going to open it up, then you can see it here. Then you click on open. There's nothing much to do here, just click on OK. So you are going to see it popping up automatically in the AutoCAD work environment. Then the next thing, you delete the background of the layout. So you highlight it, then you click on delete on your keyboard, and here it is. These are the True North arrow. You can see it automatically imported from ArcGIS Pro into the AutoCAD work environment. So you can choose to move to any side of your work environment or your drawing. If you have an existing drawing in the work environment, you can copy by highlighting, right clicking, come to clipboard, and copy it, open the drawing, then you can right click, come to clipboard, to paste, so it is editable. So that is just how to do it. So therefore you can also do some other editings here. You can change the color if you wish to. When you click on it, you right click, come to properties, you can see the color layer here. You click on that, then you can choose to change the color to any color of interest. You can choose to increase the scale or reduce it if you wish to. So guys, that is how to import True North Arrow automatically from ArcGIS Pro into AutoCAD work environment. If you find this video helpful and informative, do well to hit on the subscribe icon as well as share to as many as possible to keep getting valuable tutorial freely. Thank you. See you in the next video.